I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille. I don't gotta get on the couch again, do I?
What's going on, YouTube? Dorito here.
And the Luchacabre.
And today we got ourselves the Taomotor
Classic 50 scooter in blue.
Yep.
People, 49 cc's of throbbing, pavement-pounding scooter excitement, where not only can you drive this on your quiet city streets, but you can motor around the big city streets.
Oh, nimbly bimbly.
Oh, nimbly bimbly. Not just economically, but in style too.
No.
Yeah.
Yep. So we're going to go ahead and get this box off now. And we're going to go ahead and check out the color here.
I bet it's going to be in blue. And look, lo and behold.
Yep.
Blue.
Yep, it's a blue with some silver and some chrome wheels.
Is that a helmet that comes with it?
No, that's not a helmet. That's actually the carrying case for the back.
It looks like a neat helmet, but it's not.
Yep. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to get this thing uncrated real quick, and then we'll get right back to you guys, okay?
Now.
All right, guys. We're back.
We're back now.
And you see how big... All right. So you see how basic this is.
You turn it right all the time. That's how basic this is.
Literally front wheel. Rear box.
And your Transformer home kit. Look, I'm Luchamus Prime.
And then it can transform into something else.
A Taomotor. Classic scooter. Cool, huh? And then when you stop at your Starbucks, the scooter to a Luchamus Prime. I'm a Transformer, damn it. Can I say damn it? I just did, huh? Look, Luchamus Prime. This is my battler. Me and Scooter here are going to go fight some Decepticons. Luchamus Prime. Ho! Oh, we're back.
Yep. All right, guys, we're back. And as you see, we got it off out of the crate. We got the lift on. Okay. We got everything ready to go. We set the box up ready to go and put the bolts through. I'm going to be slapping that on while Luch puts on the front fender and the wheel. And then we'll put on the handlebars. He'll put on the front plastic, connect the battery, and then we'll put some gas in it and fire it up. This is real basic. So, anyways, what do you think of this thing so far, Luch?
I love it. I love it. It's real small and compact. Like me.
Yep. So, anyways, let's get on this.
Shall we?
All right.
All right, now, let's do this.
Okay.
I'm going to start out
with your fender.
With the handlebars.
Oh, you're going to do your handlebars first? Okay.
I'm going to do handlebars first. Because it's very important. We need control. Always need control. And the handlebar comes equipped. If you'll notice, it's got this nifty little washer that goes in there. This round part goes up against the shaft. You got to put it next to the shaft. That way it holds it steady and in place. So what you do is slip this in there like such, and then go right in there. And it's got a little hole that it fits right into. Just like that. And then you just tilt the bar like this. And you can get the nut in from behind. How you doing over there, Chip?
Pretty good. You're right there with me today.
All right. Then we'll tighten that up. Ready now?
Ready now.
You can tighten that all the way down now?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yep.
All right. I am also going to finish tightening up my handlebars. Because you can't ride your bicycle with no handlebars. And there we go.
How you doing?
I'm great. How you doing there, Chipperoo?
Pretty good. So this thing is, it's a cool little scooter. It's actually got a Kickstarter. It's 50cc, 49cc. So we're going to run it and see how it does with Luch on it and check it out. Pretty economical, absolutely. It's got
and stylish.
It's got a real cool, just regular old school speedometer, gas gauge, left and right signal, high beam, low beam, all that good stuff. It's got a USB port as well on it, and a handy dandy little holder there.
And that's about all there is to put the handlebars on. Make sure they are tightened down to about according to the Lucha meters.
Yes, 36 of them. Okay, that's all tightened down now too.
Very nice.
That's very nice. Right, there we go. Now your gas, where you put your gas in is right here. So This is kind of a little fun one, but hey, you can do it. This is strictly for your trunk here. So the trunk is installed. Okay, what do you need me to do, Luch?
Put this fender on.
Okay.
All right. Screwdrivers. There they are. Come here, little feller. Now for these, you have these little sheet metal screws, although they're going into plastic. And you'll probably want to start them all before you tighten them all down.
Get in there. There you go.
You got it?
Yes.
All right, Chip.
Well,
I knew you couldn't do it.
all right.
You
So-
put that on over there. You got that on?
Yes. So
Good.
you got two tabs on the top of the fender. You got to work it in there. Then once you get that on, you tighten the two screws up, and you're good to go there. Do not hit the brakes.
Don't touch the brakes.
There we go. All right. So
Yeah.
Luch is finishing up tightening his screws
Okay.
there.
Yeah.
And then while he's putting on the front wheel, I'm going to pull the battery box so he can connect the battery.
Now, if you'll notice, okay, I got this part. Thanks.
You're
Thanks, buddy.
welcome.
Thanks. Thanks, pal. Thanks, buddy. Thanks.
Good for you.
All right. There we go. Now, you'll notice this has an analog speedometer. So you got to line up these two little slots with these two little grooves before you put the rotor inside the caliper. Now, I want you to note that this comes with a little washer, a little spacer. That spacer goes on the caliper side because there's a little dust seal in here. You want to keep the dust out of your bearings so you got a long and illustrious life.
Yes.
And then you bring this up here like this. Well, first you got to take this out. Okay, make sure you take out the little doohickey. All right, that way your rotor can slide right up in there. Hey, what are you doing?
Pull the battery box.
Well, don't touch nothing.
Yes, sir.
And then you can just slide this up in there and make sure it's seated. There we go. There we go. Look at the speedometer. Does it go?
Yes, it does. It's actually moving up a little bit.
Yay! A little bit, very little bit.
Okay.
Now we can put that on and off we go. Okay, what do you got to do now?
We're going to let you connect the battery, and then we're going to put some gas in it. And
You're scared of electricity, huh?
This thing's gonna, yes, sir. And this thing's going to be ready to go.
Pull the brake.
Okay.
Pull it again. Hey, it works.
Yes, it does. Vroom, vroom. Oh,
All
I'll put
right.
on the mirrors. That's what I'll do.
You zoom in, vroom, vroom.
Yes.
Yay!
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So now we got mirrors.
You got the mirrors now?
Yes, I do, yeah. Get these real easy peasy to put on. So easy that even a Luch can do it.
No, I doubt that.
Hey.
All right. Now we can tighten up our axle. Or can we?
There's one. This thing is really, really easy to put together. There's no issues. You guys could literally have this together within an hour.
Or so,
Yeah,
depending on what kind of bad habits you have.
not even an hour. You guys could have it knocked out within a half an hour. It's really, there's nothing to it. You're putting on the front tire, putting in the handlebars, connecting the battery, putting on the mirrors, and putting on the rear cargo box and the front wheel. That's it.
And then you're cruising down the boulevard.
Yep, crouching behind the starting wheel. There we go. Now, as soon as Luch connects the battery, we are ready.
Go ahead, it's just two wires.
Yeah, get right on that, Luch.
Okay, then you come here and tighten this axle.
You got that, bruh.
Yeah, but you do the manual labor.
You're almost done.
I do the hazardous
By
stuff.
the time you're done talking about it,
You're lazy.
no, I'm not.
You need a new ratchet.
I like my ratchet.
That's such a ratchet.
I like my ratchet. Don't pick on my ratchet. Yeah.
Now, once you've got it tightened down to 230,000 Luch meters, make sure it spins. All right.
Good.
Got brake. All right.
Yep.
Stop and go. Very
There we
important
go.
in scooter life.
There's also a little trunk here as well that you can put a lot of stuff in there.
Nice. Also houses your air filter.
Seat is really flashy too with the blue.
Azul. Oh, yeah. Your Dr. Kevorkian at home. Oh, wait, no. Wait, that's not it. It's your shower cap.
Yeah.
That's right. That's
Shower
right.
cap. Hey, isn't there a battery you're connecting? I forgot.
Oh, I forgot too. Down here, underneath this little panel that you pop off, is your battery. And your battery does come standard with your positive and negative sides.
Are you
But
positive?
most batteries do.
Are you positive?
No, never positive with anything I do here.
Very good. 12 millimeter.
All right.
Where's
Now,
George Voodoo?
there is a little pigtail right here. Make sure that goes on your positive side with your positive starter cable.
Yes.
He says yes, as if he knows.
Hey, I've connected batteries before. They've seen me, haven't
You
you?
haven't connected anything.
If you've never seen me connect a battery before, comment below.
I'll wait. Let's see. I like it better this way. Okay, put the battery in that way, and then you can put your positives over her.
Look at this. This is so awesome.
It's pretty, isn't it? It's like me. It's very pretty. Cute. Small and cute.
Yes.
Just like me.
We are going to get Luch to take this up and down the street real quick.
Maybe.
Yes.
Maybe.
Yes.
Maybe.
Yes.
Think so?
Yes. It comes with a handy dandy tool pouch, of course.
Don't forget to use it.
So Luch is going to tighten this battery down now, finish up the tightening it up. We're going to get some gas in it, and we'll get it fired up and get right back to you guys, okay?
Or we may not get back to you.
No,
We
Luch
may
is-
ride off into the sunset and never see you people again.
Yeah, I don't see two of us fitting on this.
Why? What did I say about us on this?
Not us two.
No, just me. Bye-bye.
Yep, bye-bye. All right, so we'll get right back to you guys, okay?
But I'm ready to start it.
Yep, we got to get down from the lift as well, too. You know what? Let's actually go ahead and put the key on real quick to,
Make sure
yeah, so you don't have
that I
to
connected it right.
do it on camera here,
Oh.
so everybody knows that we're
Hold
doing this the
back,
right way.
suck.
And there we go, like that. Let's see, you pull the brake.
Look, all right, I connected it somewhat right.
Yes, you connected it right. All right, so we're going to get right back to you guys after we get some gas in it, okay?
All right, bye now.
All right, we're back now. And we got the Taomotor Classic 50 scooter, 49cc scooter. It was pretty easy to assemble. What do you think, Luch? What did we have to do here?
Man, all we did was put a wheel on, and we put some handlebars on, a whole assembly. All you did is pull. And he put our back rack on.
Yep.
And then we hooked up a battery.
Yep, front fender, little top cover.
Couple covers.
Put some gas in it and stuff like this. Now, it was real easy to put together. It was
But-
a piece of cake. But we strongly recommend that if you guys do put this together yourself, which you easily can, after you put this together, you take it to a certified motorcycle mechanic to go over it front to back. And that being because it's going down the road, okay?
We usually specify in dirt.
Yeah. So, and as you
Some
guys see,
falls off, it's not that bad.
yeah, as you guys seen on the Phoenix scooter we built too as well, we did a safety check on the whole thing
The whole
as well
thing.
too before.
This
it went
one, we're
on.
just going to full send it and see what happens to little Luch.
Yeah, by a motorcycle mechanic. So Luch will take it for a test ride, but after that, it'll go up to Bill. He'll go over everything and go over it, make sure everything's okay and ready for the road.
I hope it's okay now.
Yep. So go ahead and give it a start, Luch.
All right. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, no. Is that all the way on? Okay. That's it. Anyway, do this. Oh, let's do that, huh?
Start right up. Give it a little gap. Hold your brake. Okay, let off the brake. Give it the gap.
It moves. People.
High beam. There's your high beam right there. Left, right, nice. Got a little light on the front too, as well as the headlights. That's pretty cool. All right. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and shut this off. We're gonna take it out, and Luch is gonna go for a ride.
Yay.
So let's see what we can do and get him out there now.
All right, now.
Okay.
Stay tuned for more.
Yep.
Just one Luch, one scooter. Just right. Coming at you now.
guys, we're back. And there's the Taomotor Classic 50 49cc scooter. What do you think of it, Luch?
It was easy to build and fun to ride.
I got it up to about 35 miles an hour. He got it up to about 25 miles an hour because he's a sis kick.
I got scared.
Yeah. So, anyways, we're going to go ahead and have to clock this thing to really see what it does. But it was fun to ride. It was real easy to assemble. I mean, real basic. Did you have fun on it, Luch?
I give it an 8.8 because it's got a good beat and it's easy to dance to.
Yeah. So, anyways, like I said, there's all kinds of scooters. We're going to start doing a few scooters for you guys and get back to you don't like scooters, but I like them. They're cool. So, I want to thank you guys for watching Luch Mop Garage. And this is the Taomotor Classic 50. And we got the nut job, Luch Cobb, right here. There's no control of him today, so that's the way it is.
You see what happened when you do that stuff?
Yes.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Almost ate one.
It's like giving a dog a muzzle. Yeah. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to come back to Luch Mop Garage.
Thank you, man.
Peace.
I love this ride. I remember when I was a kid, I would sit in front of Thrifties and I'd get ice cream ride on a motorcycle in front of Thrifties. It's just like this one. Only this one's a lot more fun. I don't feel sticky though. I ran out of quarters.
Here you go.
Oh, thanks. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, just like when I was a kid. From